Next set of awards is in the category of photojournalism.
The winner is Tashi Tobgyal from the Indian Express.
This is not the first time he got recognized for his work. He was honored with the National Award for Excellence in Journalism in 2015 in photo feature category of the 2014 Kashmir flood. Now again he has won the most prestigious award, which is the Ramnath Goenka Excellence in Journalism Awards. I am proud to introduce you to a photojournalist of Indian Express, Tashi Tobgyal, and he is with us online. So Tashila, firstly I would like to congratulate you on winning the award.
Thank you.
Okay, so Tashila, can you start by explaining to us about your role at the Indian Express?
Well, I've been at the Indian Express newspaper close to about 12 years now. And currently, designation-wise, I am the Deputy Chief Photographer. My role in the Indian Express is nowadays not only to take photos, but also to double as a reporter, a video person, an audio person, and many times to give in-depth story ideas as such. So it's a multi-functional designation.
So how many Tibetans do you think are working in Delhi-based media?
As far as I've known over the years, there's not much. I think there are around 6 to 7 people. A few are based out of Bombay also, but most of them, about 5 or 6 of us are based in Delhi.
So Tashila, tell us, how do you feel about receiving this prestigious award, and who do you dedicate this award to?
Being recognized, being acknowledged, receiving an award is always like nice, and you feel happy and you feel grateful. And I always would love to dedicate all my awards or whatever that I achieve in life to my mother, who single-handedly made me the person that I am today. From the time I was a kid, she was always concerned about my education, my growth. So I would love to dedicate my award and all my laurels in life, all my achievements in life to her.
She must have been very happy knowing that you received this award.
Yeah, she was very gratified. She was very happy. And at the same time, she was also concerned that with more recognition comes more responsibilities, more pressure.
Okay, so Tashila, it must have been a difficult journey for you to achieve the 2 grand awards so far. So what were the challenges that you had faced, and how did you manage to overcome them all?
In photojournalism, challenges are both physical and mental. The stories that I have been awarded for, they required a lot of physical strength. They required a lot of mental perseverance, patience, because each assignment has taken over more than a week or sometimes 10 days to do, and these assignments were out in the field. One was in Kashmir, where the flooding had happened in 2014, where I spent 12 days. And this one was working with manual scavenging in Delhi and around, which took about a couple of days. So investing time, being under continuous mental strain to kind of evolve over the story, evolving over the story in photojournalism is very necessary. Otherwise, we just come back with single images. But to do something which is called a documentary work, that requires a lot of reading, a lot of research, and mental pressures there. And in a situation like Kashmir, where you are there in the midst of a mad crowd who have been dispersed by the fury of nature, a huge flood, so you are every day walking in that flood, you are looking around, there are lots of people who are in difficulties, and then at the same time you're also exposed to all kinds of dangers. Somebody might loot you, you are walking into filthy, dirty water, you might fall ill. So a lot of physical and mental tensions are always there. But then at the end of the day, it's the story that matters the most.
Okay, so Tashla, finally, what is your piece of advice or message to the young Tibetans who are aspiring to excel in the field of photojournalism?
I think these days youngsters really don't need any advice because they are actually smarter than most of us. But the only thing that I would like to tell youngsters in the community is be well read, because these days we have access to all kind of technologically advanced websites and technologically advanced gadgets, but we tend to forget that we only read two lines and we create our own opinions on the social network and things like that. So we need to have in-depth research and understanding of whatever topics that we are interested in or that affects us on a daily basis. So we need to be very well read to do anything in life, to pursue anything in life. So please be well read about anything that you do.
Okay, Tashla, thank you so much for speaking to Tibettv. It was lovely to have this talk with you, and congratulations once again.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.